Hello everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and recommendations. Today, we have an exciting product to discuss, the 2024 newest Wi-Fi extender signal booster by Paleor. If you're tired of Wi-Fi dead zones in your home or looking to upgrade your internet speed, this might be the solution you've been searching for. Let's start by highlighting some of the key features of this Wi-Fi extender. With the capability to extend Wi-Fi coverage up to a whopping 9,999 square feet. This device can eliminate dead zones and ensure a stable connection throughout your home. Paleor's Internet Booster can handle more than 55 devices simultaneously, making it perfect for households with multiple smartphones, laptops, smart TVs, and other smart devices. The one-tap setup process ensures a hassle-free installation, and you'll have a stable and secure Wi-Fi signal within 30 seconds. Rest assured, your network will be protected with 2024 bank-level financial security and USA Wi-Fi security protocols, safeguarding your data from unauthorized access. This Wi-Fi extender offers 5 working modes, including repeater, AP, bridge, client, and router modes, catering to various network needs. Paleor provides lifelong technical support and an 18-month warranty, offering peace of mind with your purchase. Now, let's walk through how to set up this Wi-Fi extender. When you receive the product, you'll find the extender, an instruction manual, and necessary cables. Plug the extender into an available power outlet and power it on. You can either use the one-tap WPS setup for quick installation or access the extender's settings through a web browser on your smartphone, tablet, or PC. Select the mode that best suits your needs: repeater, AP, bridge, client, or router mode. Ensure you set up security measures to protect your network from unauthorized access. In conclusion, the 2024 newest Wi-Fi extender signal booster by Paleor appears to be a reliable and effective solution for extending your Wi-Fi coverage and improving the connectivity of multiple devices in your home. If you're interested in purchasing this Wi-Fi extender, you can find it on Amazon for $59.88. Just remember to check its compatibility with your network before making the purchase. That's all for today's product critique review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews and recommendations. If you have any questions or want to share your experience with this Wi-Fi extender, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Product Critique.